Good morning. Whew, back, ready to get started. Started my morning off with the sunrise this morning. Like I was up before the sun rose because I know I got to get myself ready for the 9 to 5 that's starting this week. But before I did anything, see, that's my alarm going off now. Too late. Too late. I'm already up. I already got them worms. I got all of them. I'm learning so many things in business already, and I just got started. This has been an amazing ride. It is an amazing ride. I did some guided meditation this morning with Dr. Harris Jones. I don't know if you've seen his stuff before, but he uses vibrations and some of Earth's crystals to start your morning off with some healing. So I've been doing that for a little while now, and I really feel like I'm starting my day on a nice high vibration. So that's a great thing, a great way to begin a new week after spending the weekend with the parrots, my family down in Charleston, for our parrot family reunion. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It was, I guess I should be very transparent because I did not want to go because I was anxious about all the things that I had coming up with the launch and, what I needed to do to really make it successful, which is why at some point during the reunion, I put my phone down and I was like, okay, I'm going to just immerse myself in where I am now with my family. So I was able to do that. And I needed that because it'll be a while before I get it again, I'm sure. So that was great to have. But to see all the kids in our family like working and speaking and entertaining and just brilliant. The whole family, just brilliant. And thanks to everyone who made it such a success. I'm so glad I came. I am so glad I came. And not only that, but I took some olive oil with me. And when I tell you my family supported me, they really did. I was scared to ask for support. But they were like, wait a minute, you got something and we can get it and you not telling us about it. See, I didn't bring any olive oil back with me. I sold out. I sold out from my family, my people, my blood. Which brings me to another thought this morning. And it's not just a thought for me, it's a thought for all of us as we go throughout our day, hopefully with a nice high vibration like I've got. But when you're in business, it's very easy to get muddled in who's not supporting you, right? You go, oh, I'm always liking their stuff, but they didn't, return in kind. Those thoughts pop up. Oh, so-and-so didn't even call to say congratulations. And I got, the biggest push ever this weekend, as a matter of fact, when I heard God say, you don't need to worry about who's not. Look at who is. Look at all of the people who are supporting your ventures and cheering you on. Look at all that. So I'm blinded to the negativity for now. I'm blinded to the naysayers And why should you do olive oil? Because you cook with it every day. You know, if you're a good, healthy cook, probably so. But that was my vision. That was God's vision for me. So I had to do it. And my family came through. People want to support you. People want to support you if you let them. So that's my word for you. Who cares who ain't? Who cares who's not sending well wishes and congratulations? Who cares? You know, that has nothing to do with you and the vision that you were given. You have a job to do. Get on your job. You know, I think about even the little successes that I've had, the little wins. I took some pictures of some boxes that were waiting for me at my door when I got home. I just ordered, some, UPS and USPS boxes, and they were there, and I was almost like to tears because I'm like, I've got boxes. I've got boxes to ship my product to those people who are supporting. So thank you. Thank you so very much. Do what you're told. Love the journey, because it is a beautiful journey. Enjoy the sunshine at some point today. Get some on you. I rose with it, so I feel good. And by 6 o'clock this morning, I was ready to go. Ready to go. Now, I ain't bragging on me. I'm bragging on God now. Okay? Because some days I don't feel ready to go. But this morning, I was determined to go. Because I got such fuel when I just took the time to just soak it in. I soaked in my love. I soaked in my family. I soaked in that support. Oh, gosh. Generations upon generations were there. I was looking at our table where we were seated for one of the banquets, and I looked, and at the table there were 4 generations in one family. A child and a mother and her child, the mother's grandchild, and the mother's mother. So you got a great-grandma. All of that was at one table. And I was just like, all of this in this room, I couldn't get anything but good out of it. So I'm grateful to my family for supporting Sugar Pearls, for pushing me out the nest to do what it is I'm supposed to do. And my prayer is that you will do the same. And you won't let anybody and no devil in hell stop you. Do it. Have a wonderful day. I'm gonna go throughout and get something done. Love you. Bye.